Hey guys, here to give you an update on the trades that we took earlier. We took the USD Chief, the USD CAD, Euro Dollar, Pound Yen. These are the trades that we were looking at. We actually got in on a discretionary trade on the Euro Dollar. We got in on the USD CAD a bit late because we like the trade so much. We got in on the USD Chief, or the Dollar Swiss Franc, okay, as it's also known as. I like to call it the Chief. We also got into the Pound Dollar and the Pound Yen in our trade alerts as well. So let's talk about those trades. I'm going to go ahead and enter those reversal candles. This particular trade. Now you will see that the USD Chief, we closed out on the reversal candle for just about 16 pips. The Euro Dollar that I'm closing out is good for about 40 pips. Okay. Actually, it's good for about 100 pips. This particular trade that I'm in. Okay, the USD CAD that we saw that we liked. The USD CAD, let's take a look at that trade. That trade we entered in at 1.0578 right here. This is the candle. And it went all the way down to 1.039 405, 1.0405. So potential profit there of 165 pips, more or less. Okay. We're currently going to exit this trade at 1.0466. So technically, it's about 110 pips of profit that, or just a little bit more pips of profit that you could have taken on this reversal candle on the USD CAD. We entered a little bit late, but we still made good profit on that trade. So the USD CAD, we're exiting. We got it at 1.0551. We're getting out at 1.0470. So about, for us personally, because we got in late, it was about 80 pips of profit. There would be about 110 pips of profit if you had exited this trade at the right time. Okay. And now let's take a look at the Pound Yen, which we traded on different accounts. As you can see here, there's a reversal candle that we discussed earlier. Here it goes. Reversal candle on the daily chart. By the way, guys, we are currently on December 2nd, Wednesday. I think I did the original video on the 29th. I've been missing for 2 days as I have been in surgery and I have been in recovery from outpatient surgery. So I was making money while I've been recovering on these trades that we took. So here we go. We have the Pound Yen trade, which we called. We got in at 143.54 roughly, and we are currently exiting roughly at about 145.20 area, 145.30. It went as far as about to 145.71, which would have put us over 200 pips of profit. Now, what you'll notice here also in this Pound Yen is that it was also a SSV2 trade. Okay, so you would have taken that trade, you would have exited the first position, okay, at I believe it's 144, because you would have entered this trade at 143.02, and you would have exited around 144.11, 144.10, around there on the first position, and the second position is at 145.25 currently. Now you're not going to exit that trade. You're going to let that continue to run until you're going to move your stop loss to break even or just above, and and you're going to let that trade continue to run until you get a contradictory signal here. So we're going to go from green to red, and if it fulfills all the rest of our requisites, then we will exit that trade if it hasn't already touched our break-even point. But speaking about the reversal candle trade that we took, 143.46, so we got in at 143.54, and we're exiting at 145.25 here. So about 170 pips of profit here is where we're going to recommend to get out. Now, do I think this thing is going to go up? Absolutely. But because it's vacillated so much, we're going to take a high probability exit. What we could do also is we could just take a portion of our position off, leave a portion like I've done here with the euro dollar, move that to break even, and let it go ahead and run, see what happens. I think that's exactly what I'm going to do on this euro dollar here. Take a little bit of profit just in case, and let the rest of it run. Now pound dollar as well, we had the same result. Here we had an entry. If you take a look here, we had an entry here at 165.35. So the high of that candle was 165.30. We got it at 165.35, 165.36, and we're currently at 1.6650. Okay, so that's about 115 pips of profit for us if we exit that trade. So all in all, not a bad trading week if we were to end right now. USD Chief 16 pips, USD CAD 110, Euro dollar 36 pips, pound dollar 115 pips, pound yen 166 pips. Roughly about 400 pips of profit on these reversal candles that we've had, not including the pound yen SSV2 that we had as well, which was good for an additional just about 200 pips there as well. So so this is Marcelo Dussel signing off with www.thefxpert.com. Happy trading.